Hello everyone, I will help you. You choose the most suitable software area and software language for your by doing personal analysis today. First of all, I will present you many examples of test preferences, and I would like to not scarce below the image or deem appropriate for yourself. We will evaluate the points you have collected at the end of the video. Make sure the feature you choose fully compatible with you and indicate your ratings in the comments. Okay, let's go. First question, have you ever tracked a friend by changing an item on internet page? If the answer is yes, 5 points, no, 0 points. Second question, are you interested in robots? If the answer is yes, 9 points, no, 0 points. Do you have web page? If the answer is yes, 6 points, no, 0 points. Next. Do you care about safety? If the answer is yes, 12 points, no, 0 points. Do you like to play games? If the answer is yes, 5 points, no, 0 points. Do you believe that human power will transform the robot power? If your answer is yes, 9 points, no, 2 points. Would you like to permit Tesla car or GTR car? If your answer is Tesla, 8 points, GTR, 3 points. Do you like to stay private? If the answer is yes, 15 points, no, 0 points. Do you believe in autonomous life in the future? If the answer is yes, 10 points, no, 0 points. Next. Do you like to code for horse on the black screen? If the answer is yes, 15 points, no, 0. Have you ever heard of the Linux system kernel, or are you wondering? If the answer is yes, 12 points, no, 0 points. Have you ever thought that there are shortcomings in any game you have played? If the answer is yes, 2 points, no, 0 points. Have you ever researched or wondered about device attack techniques? If the answer is yes, 12 points, no, 0 points. Next. Are you interested in advanced mathematics? If the answer is yes, 8 points, no, 0 points. How much do you care about designing? If the answer is yes, 4 points, no, 0 points. Final question, do you have any knowledge about object programming? If the answer is yes, 1 point, no, 0 points. Now it's time to evaluate your total. If you are in the range of 0 and 80, I think you will most likely enjoy the game software. If you want to prefer computer or web gaming software, you should focus on C languages. Some console games in C# are available on my channel. If you want to work on phone games, which another option, you can also choose Kotlin language. If you are in the range of 18 and 100, I think you will most likely enjoy our web designing software. You should definitely learn HTML and CSS in web design. It is also quite effective in web design in PHP. Various applications in PHP are available on my YouTube channel. This is the fact that it is very prone to mechanical language and is quite stable for mathematics. I have several games and applications in Python on my channel. You can check it if you want. If you are range 130 and older, I think you will enjoy the cybersecurity department. In this you should definitely know the Linux system kernel, and like most cybersecurity professionals, you can get Kali Linux training. Thanks for watching me. If you want me prepare a video that will allow you choose the more detailed area, you can like my video. Don't forget to indicate your points and question in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel.